Honestly, I'm feeling really tired. It's been pretty crazy these past few days with packing. I've underestimated how much I have in my apartment. Like, it's been wild and I'm tired, but it's okay. We're gonna do this. So much to do today. I have to finish packing, finish decluttering. I have to go to the post office. I have to go to the bank. I have to go to this thrift store to sell some goods. I also have to go to Goodwill. You know, just a bunch of errands and busyness today, but I'll see you soon. All right, folks, another delivery. I can't open this. I invested in good kitchen knives. I know that's kind of weird, maybe. I cook all the time, so I wanted something that was good quality, a chef's recommendation. This is the Mercer knife. This is the Renaissance. I think it's the 8-inch. No, I got the 9-inch chef's knife. I just want good quality shit, you know what I mean? So I got this, and I also got the paring knife as well. These are 5-star knives, and my cousin who's a chef recommended this. Is this what being an adult is like? Like, I'm excited to cook and cut. This is a prototype of my socks. Never went into actual production, but this was a sample. Anyway, look at this little guy. Look at this baby right here. Isn't it funny how dogs, I mean, he's been wanting to play now for like about 30 minutes, and I need to play with him, but look at him, he's falling asleep already. That toy needs to be in the trash, actually. It's pretty gross, so ignore that. Is it just my dog, or I'm sure some of your guys' pets want to play at the worst time? Like, I'm in the middle of packing, and honestly, I underestimated how much it would take. My apartment is upside down right now. These are things that I'm going to take to see if they buy any, and then also take the rest to a donation center. And this is just laundry, and this is what I sold on Mercari. Look at him. Look at him. It's looking bare already. And then, yeah, this is just... I'm trying not to stress out. I am on my way to get the keys to my new place. I have about an hour left. It's a beautiful day. I have my coffee. I have the dirty chai in hand. It's starting to kick in. And the plan is to unload everything. I have my trunk filled up with bags of clothes as well as the front. And then I have the back seats are all pretty packed. You can't really see. But I am gonna slowly start putting stuff away, and yeah, I'm gonna meet my boyfriend there a little later today. He is gonna help me out. But yeah, I hope you're having a good week. I'll check in with you later. I'm in my new cocina, estoy en mi kitchen. I am so excited to start getting everything together, and it's finally hitting me a little bit. Actually, it hasn't hit me. I feel like I'm on vacation, but this is, yeah, my new space for a while. I'll show you in the next video, or I'll show you, I'll start putting stuff in. I am excited. Here's to a new beginning. so excited to eat this. I fucking love kimchi. I have been low-key addicted to this. This is a popular Korean breakfast, geram bap. I think that's how you say it. I didn't have green onions, so I used chives, but it still hits. I will say, you know what inspired me to do this? I have all the ingredients, but I watched Joe Lee's video. If you're watching Joe, what's up? He made this in one of his videos. I'm like, so thanks, Joe. Honestly, it's been crazy this week. I have been so busy, and I truly mean that. I underestimated how much it would take to pack. I really mean it when I said in my last video that I'm trying to get rid of like 60% of my stuff. There's just so much. I mean, I don't want to say I'm stressed. There's just a lot. I have moved before, and I know it takes a while to have some place feel like actual home. Like for instance, this apartment, it took me a minute for it to feel like home. So I'm sure the new place will take a while, plus it's a brand new city, so that is another layer to it. But I'm excited and I'm open to receive whatever the universe has in store for me. So I thought I would just kind of wrap up the vlog with a quick Q&A because I've been almost too busy to even vlog. So I'm gonna do a little Q&A that I asked on Instagram. How do you stay positive every day? That's a good question. I'm not always positive, but I try. One life-altering shift that transformed my life is when I realized that I have the power to change the course of my day with how I'm thinking. Obviously, there are things that you can't control that happen, but you can control how you react to things. You can control how you show up in life. Choose with intention. Your thoughts create your feelings, feelings create your actions, and actions create your results. So it's all about how you think. And it's all about unlearning and changing your neural pathways, which you can do that. I am all for seeking professional help if you are feeling like your mental health is struggling or you are feeling depressed. When it comes to daily life, I'm being for real with you. Like, I practice gratitude every single morning. I have a meditation practice that I do every single morning, just like 5 minutes. I do affirmations, and but that's what helps me stay grounded. The more you look for things, the more they'll appear. So if you keep on searching for negative things, you will only see and attract negativity. The more you see positivity, the more you feel grateful, the more abundance and positivity you will attract. Because at the end of the day, we are all energy and we attract what we put out there. What are your tips on being single? So this is a good question. From my experience is to just focus on yourself. That sounds very cliche. I very much enjoyed being single. I traveled solo. I got to really enjoy my own time and got to know myself. I think what helped me was remembering that this is temporary, and also if it wasn't temporary, like if I was single for the rest of my life or I never found somebody, then I would be completely fine with that. Like, I didn't feel the need to have someone. Sure, do I want a relationship or wanted a relationship? Yes, but I didn't need a relationship, and I think that is a difference, right? You don't need someone to make you feel complete. You have to be complete on your own. I think what happens is, like, when you don't fully have an understanding of yourself and you don't have that self-worth or love for yourself, then it gets a bit blurry when someone mistreats you or treats you less than what you're worth. You're willing to put up with that because you don't have that respect yourself. So get to know yourself and have fun and know that you deserve everything you want in life. And again, like, don't settle for less. I would rather be alone than with bad company. Do you know what I mean? I think I'm gonna end the Q&A here because I have so much to do. Thank you for watching, and I'm excited to bring you along the next chapter. I'm sure that the next vlog I will be in my new place, and I'm gonna definitely bring you along with me, and I am excited. So thank you so much for the comments. Kind of ironic that I'm wearing this Welcome to Palm Springs shirt as I'm leaving. I will see you in the next video. Adios.